Hey, Mike Brailsford, Brailsford Woodworks here. It's fantastic to have you back with me. Today I'm going to turn another hollow form out of cherry, and I'm going to turn a lid for it. And here's what I'm going to work with. But first I want to tell you about my buddy Hugh Davies and his channel Wouldn't It Be Nice. If you haven't taken a look at it, I highly recommend it. He's got some great stuff. He's instigated a challenge. That Hugh, what an instigator. At any rate, he has instigated a challenge to turn a clock. And I'm going to take part, and I'm not doing that today, but I've got a couple pieces of wood I want your opinions on. You can leave a comment below. I've got a couple pieces. I got this oak crotch. It's a double crotch here that I thought I could turn into a rough round and then put the clock in the middle. Or I've got this piece of cherry burl that I could also possibly use. Also, again, a rough turn on the outside and the clock set in the middle. Either way, haven't really decided. I'd love your opinions. Just because you give me your opinion doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to take it, though. But just let me know what you think, which one you would rather see. But that's going to be coming up. And as part of that, as I'm starting to semi-approach my 500 subscriber, I would like to use this as an opportunity to, once I have hit my 500 subscriber, that I'm going to do a giveaway, and this clock is going to be it. So please click that like and subscribe button, get me there a little bit faster, and perhaps you might win the clock. But at any rate, it's time to get back to the business at hand, and I'm going to get on with the cherry hollow form. Here we go. Okay, let's get this party started. All right, I'm going to put a little detail here on this side. I've got another texturing tool I forgot I even bought. It's a chatter tool. I'm going to give it a shot because I've never tried one before, and we'll see how it comes out. Maybe I end up having to cut it all out because I don't like it, but we'll see. First thing we'll do is to use the V-parting tool to make a couple little grooves to define where I want the texture to be. I don't have the highest hopes, I'll be honest. Oh no, looks terrible. This looks terrible. Wow. Well, guess I'm taking that out. I gotta figure out how to use this darn thing. Okay. That looks a little better. Sometimes you try things and they just don't work out the way you hoped. All right, time for wax. Boy, some of these insects really cut some clean holes, you know that? At any rate, I've said I'm going to leave that. Who knows, maybe someone could put a thread in here and want to take it out through there and do something with it. I don't know. Okay, that looks pretty darn good. I gotta get that wax out of my bug hole. Which didn't sound too good. All right, let's take this off, turn around and get the tenon cut off. I believe I'm going to have to bring up my tailstock. Oh, and that's that, folks. That didn't take long. Oh, yeah. And here I go. I got a big old crack. So, wasn't planning on doing another fail video, but there it is. Hey, all right. Okay, so as much as I'd like to, I think fixing this is going to be somewhat problematic, and selling it at a sale with that damage, I just don't think it's tenable. So that one, chalk that one up to experience. But also, again, I want to bring up again my the clock challenge. Go visit my buddy Hugh Davies' site, please. Wouldn't it be nice? That's the name of his channel, and he's getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So please, let's help put him over the top. Go check him out. And with his clock challenge, I'm going to again question: do I use this one or do I use this one? Let me know what you think. Again, thank you for watching. If you like if you like my video and you'd like to see some of my other content, you'll see some links around me. Please check them out. Thank you all for watching, and you all stay safe. Bye-bye.